To select and show only the album you want to see on your gallery on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that the Select Essential Albums option on Gallery app is on. To do so, open Gallery app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then select Setting. Under Album section, tap the gray on offset next to Select Essential Albums until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, tap the back key. While you are in the Albums tab, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Select Essential Album. Now select the albums you like to display on the Album tab. And then tap Done button. By doing this, now you can only show the albums you want to see on the Albums tab instead of showing all the albums you have. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.